In this tutorial, I'll show you how to import your Evernote notes into Notion. This makes it easy to move your notebooks and continue working in Notion without starting from scratch. Let's get started. Open Notion on your desktop or in your web browser. In the left sidebar, click Settings, then select Import from the available options. From the list of import sources, choose Evernote. Notion will prompt you to sign in to your Evernote account if you aren't already logged in. After signing in, authorize Notion to access your Evernote account. Once the connection is approved, choose the notebook or notebooks you want to import, then start the import process. Wait for the import to finish. The time required depends on how many notes and attachments you have. When it's complete, your Evernote notebooks will appear in your Notion workspace. Take a moment to review your imported notes and check that the formatting, attachments, and content transferred correctly. If needed, you can make small adjustments after the import. That's how to import Evernote into Notion. Thanks for watching.